Welcome. In front of me I have the brand new Mi Band 7, and today I'll just quickly apply a screen protection to this little watch. So anyway, I'm not exactly sure if this is supposedly a guide or not. I haven't ever applied it, so I guess we'll see how it goes. Anyway, I probably do recommend taking off the actual band portion of it, which you do by just pulling on this, and the watch part should come out, as you can see. Now, for the most part, every time I did actually deal with these, they are plastic, so that's one thing. Anyway, there is no wet or dry wipes in here, so I use something to clean it off. I'll be using a microfiber cloth just to get it really clean. There we go, good enough. And on the actual protection, I only have apparently one layer. Or is it? Nope, never mind. So this is the front, so I do peel off this first, which is a little bit weird. Anyway, so for me, I just pull this off and then apply it to the display. Now, as you can see, I just kind of pressed it so it sticks to the actual display, and I'm gonna go around and make sure that there's no air bubbles. There we go, looks like it's good enough. So now, hopefully, when I pull this off, it won't actually pull the screen, the entire thing off. And obviously it did. Expected that much, to be honest. That's a little bit annoying. Guess it's easier to do it with a fingernail from a different side. Oh, come on, it doesn't want to come off. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it is applied right now, and actually it's barely visible, to be honest, so that's weird. See if I can show you. Now I will mention one thing, it's not super clean. It has these tiny little bubbles, though they look like they're part of the actual protection itself. Can see it on the reflect, or right here, and it doesn't want to clean off, which is a little bit concerning. It doesn't come off. Oh well, but it is there. You can see the bezel right here. Hopefully you can. So it did apply itself. Anyway, so there we go. Once you put that on, you can just pop it back in. And there we go. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.